Hello everyone, this is Imran Ali here. Welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to talk about Zoominfo. So as you can see over here, we are at zoominfo.com and Zoominfo revenue growth while increasing sales and marketing efficiency. So first of all, we need to understand like what is Zoominfo used for. So Zoominfo is a B2B business to business intelligence tool that can help you identify companies that are like a good fit to your product or service and gain a understanding of needs and challenges they have based on industry insights and intent. So this is where you are going to get your leads and online marketing. You can do that, and like can like Zoominfo be trusted? So in my opinion, this is the best platform for accurate database. So Zoominfo is the best platform for database requirement, and there are many more competitors out there like LinkedIn and Clearbit, Demandbase, and Sales Genius, Lead Genius, Full Contact, Flint, and so there are many more. But like according to me and most of the people, like trusted by 30,000 plus businesses, you can see we have Google, Zoom, Snowflake, T-Mobile. So these all are big companies and they all trust on Zoominfo. So if you scroll down from over here, you can see that you can choose platform accordingly, like whatever you want, like sales OS, marketing OS, talent OS, operation OS. So what it does, intelligence and prospecting solutions for relentless sales team determined to crush quotas. So if you click on hit your number and you will end up over here, you can see that define market, discover buyers. So you can find uh, like your customers very easily, for like the product you are providing or the service you are providing. You can just go ahead and get that from over here. Like you can identify and reach your next best customer using data driven insights and buying signals that reveal ready to buy companies. So there are many more information over here, like build an account universe based on your ideal customer profiles and reach decision makers with the largest B2B contact database of 65 million plus direct dial. So it's a lot, like direct phone numbers and 150 million plus verified emails. So in my opinion, this is a lot to reach your target audience, in my opinion, to your customers. So for the B2B purpose, I believe this is the best way to get your like sales. So if you go back over here, you can see that marketing, we have marketing tools over here, we have operation tools over here, we have talent OS tools over here. So right now we are going to click on here. So we need to understand like what is going on these, right? So right now we are going at marketing, and this is the marketing OS. Accounts buy but people decide. Zoominfo marketing OS is the missing piece to your ABM puzzle. Bring actionable company insight and contact data to your omni-channel marketing strategy. You can just write down your business email over here and you can just go ahead and do the demo. Check out the demo, how is it going, and you can see there are some uh, animations going on, like how it works. Like you can see that ads, you can generate ads. There are some chats over here. So these are some things which you can see over here for like tutorial. If we scroll down, you can find the right leads for your scale, for your business, and you can see that generate pipeline across your demand generation strategy with essential and advanced B2B intelligence. You can also request demo form over here. You can see that you have buyer intent, contact data, advanced firmographics. So what it does, like buyer intent identify sales ready leads, researching relevant topics and keywords on the web, and there are like 65 million plus direct dial phone numbers. So obviously this is the same, and you can just build and manage campaigns with like a demand side platform if you want. Pump up visitor conversations if you want. Like you can just go ahead and talk to them directly. You can see all the animations on the right side, like what it means especially. So you can see over here also like display email and social. So you can just create a campaign on different platforms. You can see that you have achieved greater ROI. ROI is very necessary in my opinion. The challenge and technology they rely on to exceed goals. So there are multiple things over here. You have some reviews, like how is it really good or not, like or just they are claiming. So this is good in my opinion, and most of the people usually use this for their marketing OS and sales OS. So we have talent OS, find and reach, connect with talent faster. Obviously you can find talents related to your product or your service you are giving. So let's just say you are finding someone for your uh, quality assurance, and you can just go ahead and search from over here related to your product, and obviously you can find them. So over here, you can see give your candidate pipeline a promotion as a recruiter. Every single detail have been mentioned over here. You can see sourcing intelligence, outreach, talent pool management, like streamline how candidates move through your timeline. You can create that over here. You can see that as an example. You can like project management tools, obviously you are going to change all the project management, but everyone can see that if you know what project management is. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to say over here. So you can integrate with your existing tech stack. So this is very useful in my opinion. If you have any uh, sign up or subscription from over here, you can also integrate that. And the last one is operations OS. So power up your business with high performance data. Get the B2B commercial data delivered on your terms, accessible, flexible, and primed to accelerate your business. So this is where you are going to establish your business in different ways. Master data for an accurate, unified customer view, best in class match rates, match accuracy, fill rate, and fill accuracy combined for data reliability that is 10x better than alternatives. Alternatives what? LinkedIn, Dun and Breadsheet, the Clearbit, Demandbase. So these are the alternatives. You can see all the details over here, and we can just talk about this for an hours. And in my opinion, this is a lot. And to understand every single thing over here, you can create your own automation over here. So this is a lot and a lot to take in for the first time. I hope some things you can understand if you know what is going on over there, and if you don't know, it might be very like difficult to understand. So let's just say just leave them over here, and we can scroll down, get premium products for profitable conversation, and your successful views are this is some reviews over here, some awards, and simple is that. There are some blogs over here like what is buy internet data, go to market strategies guide. There are some details over here. That's it. And if we go at the pricing of Zoominfo, click on pricing, and you can see that we are at Sales OS view pricing. If we click on view pricing, you can see that this is a free trial version for Sales OS only. You can use that, and there are some obviously some features are over here, and advanced plus and elite plus have more features. You can see that comprehensive professional and company profiles, direct business and mobile numbers, and verified email address, which we have talked about like earlier. And we have more options over here, like you can just engage with your business through different like automations and intelligence engagement filters if you want to apply there. So these are some obviously some advantages to get after go ahead and do advanced plus or elite plus. Just click on get price. Obviously you need to log in first, and then you can see what are the pricing. But for this I believe it's enough to know that how it's going to be. And if you are new, go with the free trial first. In my opinion, just go ahead and do that. If you think it's good, then you need to go ahead and watch marketing OS or sales OS advanced plus option or elite plus option. So these are some things like you can see that turn leads into pipeline, hit hiring goals. There are some pricing over going on over here, and that's it. This is all you need to know about Zoominfo, like how it works, what it does, and how many categories are there. You can see these are some solutions over here. What it's doing actually. So sales automation, obviously in sales OS, contact company search, conversation intelligence, and workflows. Marketing OS, what it's doing, website chat, web form enrichment, buyer intent insight, cross-channel advertisement. Operation OS, data as a service, data management, data enrichment, API, and webhooks. And the last one is Talent OS, talent search, candidate outreach, employer branding, and ATS integration. So that's it. This is all you need to know about like what is going on in this Zoom info, and I believe that you have understand what is going on. And thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand everything I've said. Thank you. Leave a like and subscribe. Bye bye.